Hello everybody. In this short video, we're just going to be going over the bare bone basics of Adobe Animate. We're going to be learning how to navigate the interface and how to set it up to be utilized during class. Alright, so probably the first thing that's going to happen when you jump on Adobe Animate is you're going to probably get a tutorial. Since I've been on Adobe Animate before, I did not get one. So you're just going to skip through that, and then hopefully you'll get to a screen similar to this. Once you get to this screen, you're going to click Create New. Alright, and once you get to Create New, you're going to have a couple different settings. The standard for animating is usually 1920 by 1080 because that's the same size that you would use for like a YouTube video or something like that. So we're going to go with that, and then we're going to click Create. Alright, so once you open up your new file, it should look something similar to this. If it doesn't look like this, don't worry. We're about to all change our settings right now. To do that, what we're going to do is we're going to go up to the top right corner, and we're going to select this little icon right here. This icon allows us to change our workspace. And what we want to do is, whatever we're on, we want to change it to Classic. And once you change it to Classic, you'll see it switches up your workspace just a little bit. And now what we'll do is we'll just do a little bit of a review on what things are seen on this screen. So first of all, this big white box right here, this is called our preview screen. You can see that there is 100% of the preview screen showing right now. Sometimes you might want to make that smaller depending on how slow your computer is running at the time. Over on the left here, you'll notice that there is a toolbar, and toolbars we're very familiar with. We've used them on Photoshop, we've used them on Illustrator. So any tools that we end up using on Adobe Animate, that's where you're going to end up finding them. We also, again, have a properties panel over on the right. We will definitely be making use of this moving forward into frame-by-frame animation. And then finally, we have what's called a timeline. And our timeline is up here. And basically what this does is it allows you to horizontally scroll through your added frames. There actually are layers on here as well, so you can animate like multiple layers at once. But we'll get more into that as we move forward. Alright, so that is pretty much it for our basic navigation of Adobe Animate. Move on to the next video to learn about frame-by-frame animation.